Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel, Tech in Resham. In this video, we're going to dive into Coolify, a self-hosting platform with superpower that lets you host anything on your server or cloud server. It's super affordable, with no hidden costs, and there are no limits. You can even host multiple websites with the same code. The user interface is super easy to use, and the best part? It's open source and free. To set up Coolify, you'll need a server. I like to use a Linux virtual private server or cloud server, but you can choose any provider like Hostinger, Azure, Google Cloud, or even AWS. In DigitalOcean, a virtual or cloud server is called a droplet. Let's create a droplet. Choose a location that's close to you or your audience, and select a server billing plan. The smallest plan might not be enough for your projects. I tried the smallest plan and it failed. The performance of your server depends on the projects you're working on, the number of applications you plan to host, and the number of users who'll use these applications. For the demo, I chose the US $16 per month plan. It's recommended to use an SSH key, but for simplicity, I used the root password to log into the server via SSH. Now, let's create the droplet. We'll have to wait a bit for the server or droplet to be successfully created. Once the server is created, we'll be given the server IP address, which is ready for SSH from remote computers or other servers. If you're using Windows, you'll need the PuTTY application, which you can download for free from its website. For Linux or Mac users, simply open the terminal and type SSH IP address and enter the root password you created in the droplet. First things first, update and upgrade the server using sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y. Please wait until the task is complete, which can take some time depending on the server. Once the installation is done, we'll use the curl command to install Coolify, curl fssl https://cdn.coolabs.ao/coolify/installed /bash. As per the server's request, we'll use the Docker engine. Go to the Docker website and install the Docker Community Engine. If you need help, I've made a video on how to install it on Linux or Ubuntu server. Let's try installing Coolify. It seems like everything is going well now. The installation will take a while, so I'll skip it for now and come back once it's complete. Once the server output successfully messages, copy the URL from the terminal and paste it into your browser. We'll be greeted with "Create an account." Fill in the form with your name, email address, password, and confirm password. Press the register button to proceed. We'll select localhost as the server. Using a project to organize applications running is very convenient. In the resources section, you'll find various applications, including databases. We'll go through each one to find the one we need. The first resource we'll try is MySQL database. The application in Coolify is actually a Docker image. During installation, it pulls the image and creates a container for the user to use. We can see that Docker is successfully starting MySQL Docker. Next, we'll try Gitea, a free and open source alternative to GitHub or GitLab. Opening the link provided in the Gitea resource page redirects to the Gitea initial setup page, indicating that Gitea is fully installed and ready to use. For watching the video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks a lot.